Dear friends, we will create a new website totally free template plugin domain hosting. So we are now at Google. We will write blogger, click at blogger, and now create a new blog. When we click here, then it will take us on a new window. Select your email, select email, how to create a new mail, and another video is already at the channel. We will click here. Now write your password and click on next. You can see your password by check this box. Click on next and now write a unique name. If it shows unavailable, then change one or two times, then you will see it shows available. Then now when you find available name, then click on next. Now you see that we have written a unique name for our domain. If it shows unavailable, then change it one or two times, then you will find any available name. Click on at next. Now confirm your display name right here, and your display name, this name will be visible at your website. Now next, click here. Now when you finish, it will take you new window. Now our website is ready. We will view it, and this is the current news, the title that we select for our website. We can change this theme. Different themes are available here. You can select any one of these. So any theme that you like, click on that theme. You can preview it before applying. So we will select this. We will continue. You can customize it. We will preview it. It will look like this. So we will click at apply to use this template. When we refresh our website, you can see a new theme applied. Now we will write a new post. We will see how to write a post. At this right here, title of your news or your article, write a title here, and after that you will write any description or content that you want to write. So we will write a few lines here, and when we write it, then we will save and publish our first post. So save it and then continue to publish. Click at publish, confirm. So our first post is created. You can view it, refresh website. Now our first post is visible at home page. So if you want to create another post, again go to new post and write something. In a same way, write here title, any title that you want to write a unique title. Then right here, content mean any description, video, images, links, anything you can do here. So in next videos we will learn it one by one everything. So we'll again confirm, publish and confirm. You can see new post. Again refresh your site. You can see two posts here. So this is political update. When you click here, it will see. Thank you.